Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're listening. Welcome back. Today is our day 53 of our 100-day challenge, and it's always excited to come back and talk to you and share some insight. And that's what we have been doing for last 52 days. Thank you so much, guys, for being with me, listening to me, and supporting me and showering your love and affection and support. Thank you so much, guys. And I think the topic for the day is uh, how to make our dreams come true. And it's only because everything is over here in this universe, everything is in abundance. God has provided everything for everybody. So we just need to make our direction in that aspiration, and everything will come to you if you desire. I think the only thing is what you need is, or you want is, make a vision board. Write down 3-4 things which you want to accomplish in your life, and take some action every day on that. But take some religious action on that, and be and focus, put your focus upon that. That's what we have been talking about in our previous videos. Put your focus upon solution, not on the problems. And once you divert your attention on the right side of the things, you will see much more impactful results. So intention is basically, guys, like if you want to buy a new house, so then look out which community you are looking to stay over there, what kind of a house you are looking for, what should be the decoration inside, decor inside of your house. Have a planning across to that, and just keep on putting your focus over there. And once you will start focusing, you will get lot you will be getting lot of leads on that. I would say, as we talk about that law of vibration, that whatever you put your attention upon, with the law of vibration, it get expanded. So if you're putting your attention on that I want this kind of a house, and you're taking action, you're going and walking around the communities and making, okay, this is where my house should look alike, and all those kind of things. Do it. Have that vision and memorize, and have that every day in the morning. Look at that vision, and be obsessed with that vision. Put your focus and put your energy on that for whatever the time in the morning you have. And then whenever you have some time, put some dedicated attention and focus onto that. And with that law which is there in this universe, this thing will get expand, and you will get what your dreams are. So it's a very powerful thing. So you have to put in your dedicated efforts, you have to be committed, you have to have that trust, you have to have that confidence. um, don't give up if it doesn't happen in a week or month or something. Keep on obsessing about it, keep moving on to that, and it will come true. And that's how the universe works, that's the law. And guys, that's what we have been talking in our previous videos. Your trust, your confidence, your commitment, they are the backbone of your motivation, they are the backbone for all your dreams to come true. So you need to put your right energy in the right direction, and let the magic happen behind the scenes, which is happening, which is always happening. God is always with us. God is always showering his blessings upon us. He's always with us every second, every moment of our life. And no matter what we do, where we are, he's always with us. And we need to have that trust, that commitment, that focus, that attention, and that dedication, and see the results will come skyrocketing to you guys. And guys, uh, keep that momentum going, keep that energy going, and see everything will come good to you. So guys, on that note, thank you so much again for listening to me. And as always, you are joy magnets now. You are the ambassador of this community, you are the ambassador of this. So have that magnet, have that joy magnet. So whosoever you come and touches become more joy, who you touches become more joy, and you yourself is becoming more joy and happier. So have that. You are the torch holders, you are the ambassadors, and you are the people who are carrying this. Let have that responsibility, that have that ownership, that I am the guy, I am the joy magnet, and whatever comes and touches me becomes more joy. So guys, on that note, thank you so very much once again for listening to me and showering your love and thoughts, and feedback is always welcome, as always. And till we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you.